I'm the quality improvement director for Gateway-Longview and New Directions Youth and Family Services. So I get this question a lot, and it's, should I use my computer audio or should I use the phone to dial in? And my answer for me in my house and the way my setup is the phone, always the phone. The second tip I have is always the headphones. Reduces some of that ambient noise, gives most people a better microphone. So I always use my headphones, and then I always dial in. And the third analog solution to a digital problem is I always wear the pants with a pocket, because let's say in the middle of my meeting, I need to let my dog outside, and he's not going to stop barking until I do. I don't want to have to interrupt the whole call or stop hearing what's going on just because I have to get up and take a step away from my computer. So I dial in with the phone so that I can hop up and put the phone in my pocket. I can walk away. I can take care of whatever business I got to take care of. Maybe I forgot to put the sugar in my coffee, whatever it needs to be, and then I'm back.